Good morning, all of you. Welcome to Sri Jainda Exam. So, in this class, we are going to discuss about questions based on 17 group elements. So, I'm writing it. So, please note it down because in the last lecture we could not discuss many questions. So, that's why I want to discuss more questions now. So, questions, MCQs, multiple choice questions, MCQ questions on 17 group elements of lecture 2. So, 17 group elements now we are going to discuss. So, let us start now. Question number one. Question number one. The element which can displace the element which can displace the element which can displace three other halogen atoms. Three other halogens from their compounds is halogens from their THEIR, their compounds is option one. First option we have chlorine. Second option we have bromine. Third option we have iodine. And fourth option we have fluorine. So fluorine, bromine, and iodine. So how could you answer this question? Since fluorine is strongest oxidizing agent among the following, strong oxidizing agent among all the halogens. So it can displace all other hydrogen atoms. It can displace all other halogens, all three halogens. That is fluorine, bromine, and iodine. So answer is what? Fourth option. So which is strongest oxidizing that can displace all. So second question. So please note down the reason also. Next, shape of ClF3 molecule is ClF3 molecule is. So option one, the shape of ClF3 molecule is option one. First option, tetrahedral. Option two, T shape. Option three, linear. And option four, trigonal planar. Trigonal planar. So since already we know the shape of ClF3 molecule is T shape because it has, so it is T shape. This shape T shape because it will undergo what type of hybridization? Chlorine is 7 7 plus 10 10 by 2 is sp3 dehybridization. It undergoes what hybridization? sp3 hybridization, sp3 dehybridization. But since it contains lone pair, it contains lone pair of electrons, two lone pairs. As it contains two lone pairs, the shape is T shape. Shape is what? T shape. You can see the shape like this. So chlorine has two lone pairs, one lone pair, two lone pairs here, and it forms F, F, and F. So it is T shape, just like so. No need to take this also straight away for understanding. I have written this is the ClF3 shape, T shape molecule. I hope it is clear. Next, so this is called T shape molecule. So this is called ClF3 molecule. Next question. So like these questions are important for competitive exams. So let us see next question now. Next question now. Question number three. Question number three right now. Chlorine atom. This is very, very important. Chlorine atom. In its third excited state. Third excited state. Carefully see the question and then you do answer. Its third excited state with the flowing, with the flowing to form a compound X. To form a compound X. The formula and shape of X are the formula and shape of X are very, very important. So option one, first option, that is CLFI, comma pentagonal. Option two, CLF4, comma tetrahedral. Option three, CLF4 pentagonal bipyramidal. CLF4, comma pentagonal bipyramidal. Option 4, CLF7 pentagonal bipyramidal. CLF7 pentagonal bipyramidal. And most important is, since chlorine is in third excited state, it has 7 bond pairs. So in its third excited state, it is combining with all the elements. So it has how many bond pairs? 7 bond pairs and 0 lone pairs. So in this case, 7 bond pairs plus 0 lone pairs. So regular shape and hybridization becomes sp3d3. Since sp3d3 is chlorine forms ClF7 and is pentagonal bipyramidal. I hope it's clear. So chlorine in its third excited state forms 7 bond pairs and 0 lone pairs with a compound to form X. That X will be ClF7, and the shape of the X is, since n factor is equal to, implies n is equal to 7. N is equal to 7 means what? sp3d3. sp3d3. I hope it is clear. Next question. Question number 4. Question number 4. Please note down in your class works. In the known interhalogen compounds, in the known interhalogen compounds, interhalogen compounds, in the known interhalogen compounds, comma, the maximum oxidation, the maximum oxidation state, the maximum oxidation state of halogen atoms is, simple it is, the maximum oxidation state of halogen atoms is, option 1, that is first option, A and 1 both are same, simply I'm writing. So 1, option B 5, option C 7, and option D 8. So the maximum oxidation state of halogen atom is 7, because all the 7 electrons it can give. So answer is C. It's very simple to understand. Next question, question number 5. At least interhalogen compounds and oxyacids we have to discuss. Next, question number 5. Among the oxyacids of chlorine, among the oxyacids of chlorine, among the oxyacids of chlorine, the strongest oxidizing agent is, the strongest oxidizing agent is, very, very important, which is containing more acidic character, that is the strongest oxidizing agent. So option A, HClO4, Option B, HClO3. Option C, HClO2. HClO2. And option D, HClO, that is HOCl. So strongest oxygen agent can also be strongest acid. Strongest acid also. Both are same because more the stronger oxygen agent, stronger is the acidic character. So answer is HClO4 because the chlorine oxygen state is +7. So non-metals in their higher oxygen states are acidic in nature. Non-metals in their higher oxygen state. Non-metals, I write the statement, please note it down. Non-metals in their highest oxygen states, in their highest non-metals in their highest oxygen states, highest oxidation states are acidic in nature, are acidic in nature. As I told you in case of nitrogen N2O5, P2O5 and so on, acidic in nature. So chlorine, the oxygen state of chlorine is +7 here, and here it is +5, and here it is +4, not in +4, +3, and here it is +1. So that's why +1, +3, +5, +7. So highest is +7. So they are acidic in nature. So the more acidic in nature, strongly oxidizing. Strongly oxidizing in nature. So I hope it is clear. So this is question number 5. Next question. Question number 6. Question number 6. Iodine can be obtained. Iodine can be obtained from sodium iodide. From sodium iodide solution by the action of. So theoretical questions only you'll get because it's inorganic chemistry by the action of, but it is more memorizing. So you have to remember. So you should remember all the equations. First option, chlorine and bromine. Second option, only fluorine. Third option, soluble chloride. And third option, fourth option, soluble bromine. Soluble bromine. So in this case, the answer is chlorine and bromine because they form interhalogen compounds. Interhalogen compounds. So chlorine and bromine can displace iodine from sodium iodide solution. So since they are forming interhalogen compounds, so chlorine and bromine only can displace iodine from sodium iodide. I hope it is clear. Question number 7. Question number 7. Next question. Which oxy acid of chlorine? Which oxy acid of chlorine? Which oxy acid of chlorine can displace can exhibit +5 oxidation state? +5 oxidation state. So option A, hypochlorous acid. Hypochlorous acid, they're asking the names also. Option B, we can find the formula, but we have to remember the name also. Chloric acid. Option C, chlorous acid. And option D, perchloric acid. Chloric acid. So first we'll write the formula of this. Hypochlorous acid HOCl, chloric acid HClO3, chlorous acid HClO2, and perchloric acid HClO4. If I'm not wrong, you can check easily. So answer for fourth, it is chloric acid because it shows +5 oxygen state. Chlorous is +3. Chlorous is +1. Hypochlorous. And chloride is already we know it is +7. So answer is second option. Like these questions also you may expect in the examination. Next question number 8. Aqua regia is a mixture of. Aqua regia. This also I told you this is very important. Aqua regia consisting of a mixture of is a mixture of option 1. First option 3:1 ratio of concentrated HCl and concentrated nitric acid. Concentrated nitric acid. Second option writing 3:1 ratio of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated HCl. So which is one part, which is three parts, you have to remember also. Next, third option 1:3 ratio. 1:3 ratio of concentrated HCl and concentrated nitric acid. And fourth option again 1:3 ratio of concentrated HCl and H2SO4. Here they change the acid. Concentrated HCl and concentrated H2SO4. So all these four options they have given. So you have to choose the right option. So what is the answer you could expect? You can just remember it is 3:1 ratio of concentrated HCl and concentrated nitric acid. First option. Second option 3:1 ratio of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated HCl. So it is 3 parts of HCl and 1 part of nitric acid. So it is answer is first option. 3 parts of HCl and 1 part of nitric acid. So 3:1 ratio of concentrated nitric. So this is the answer. I hope it is clear. Next question. So next question now. Question number 9. Question number 9. Which of the following reactions does not occur? Which of the following reactions? Which of the following reactions does not occur? Option A, first option, let us see. F2 plus 2Cl minus gives rise to 2F minus plus Cl2. Second option, Cl2 plus 2F minus gives rise to 2Cl minus plus F2. Third option, Br2 plus 2 iodine minus Br2 plus 2 iodine minus gives rise to 2Br minus plus iodine. And fourth option, Cl2 plus 2Br minus Cl2 plus 2Br minus reduces to 2Cl minus plus Br2. So does not occur means already we know fluorine can displace all the three, but chlorine cannot displace fluorine. So answer is B. Chlorine, first equation, fluorine can displace chlorine. This is correct only. Second equation, chlorine on reaction the F minus is displacing fluorine. So chlorine cannot displace fluorine. So that's why answer is B. Bromine can displace iodine. Chlorine can displace bromine. But fluorine cannot displace fluorine. It can displace bromine, it can displace iodine, but it cannot displace fluorine. So answer is option B because fluorine is the strongest oxidizing agent. Since F2 is strongest oxidizing agent, since fluorine is strongest oxidizing agent, oxidizing agent, fluorine is the strongest oxidizing agent. I hope it's clear. Now question number 10. Let us see question number 10. The oxidation state of chlorine. The oxidation state of chlorine Cl in bleaching powder is bleaching powder bleaching powder is option 1 it is -2 -1, option B it is -1, option C it is +1, and option D it is -1 and +1. As I already told you, bleaching powder formula is CaOCl2, CaOCl, and this is also Cl. So this chlorine is -1, this chlorine is +1. So bleaching powder formula is CaOCl2. So this calcium is +2, definitely this should be -2. So this should be cancelling out each other. So I hope it is clear. So answer is fourth option, that is -1 and +1. Next question, question number 11. So let us, question number 11 we'll discuss now.